Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from an Android device to Redmi A3 Pro. Begin by opening Play Store on both and getting free app called Send Anywhere. When it's ready, launch it. Then click on the same options in both apps to set them up. Firstly, I agree and I acknowledge. Then confirm, continue, and allow. Following that, tap on whatever you want to in all the other pop-ups and hit send at the bottom left corner of an Android. Then receive right next to send at the bottom of Redmi. Also on an Android, using all of those categories at the top, select multiple files to transfer. I will go with only a few though, just for example. Now click send next to selected at the bottom. Got it, in here's some tip pop-up and decide which connection way will be better for you. To connect by inputting this key, hit input key section, type in all of those numbers and choose receive button. To scan the QR code though, use scanning icon above user guide. Close and add. Allow camera access in the pop-up and point your device at the code to scan it. As you can see, after that, all of my files were successfully transferred. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!